What's up everybody, Edwin here from EdsWrld, located here in California. In this video I'm going to show you my horrific wide body install that's underneath this and also repair it. Let me know what you guys think or what we should repair in the next video. To get started, we first have to remove this hard top and then we'll go ahead and remove this rear over fender. With the hard top removed, I'm going to remove several bolts that are located on the kit. The reason it looks so bad and why it wasn't done right the first time was the lack of knowledge and the laziness to do the proper research in order to get this done properly. To begin repairing this and remove all this extra layer of junk, today I have my handy dandy torch, which will help remove a lot of the stuff without having to grind down. After removing some of the stuff that was on top, I'm realizing that whatever's done here is way worse than I originally thought, and this looks horrendous, horrific, atrocious, all the above, and this is going to take way longer than I assumed, but we're not going to give up on it. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and scrape all this off.
Using spare sheet metal, I'm making an outline which I would later use to weld on the new piece of metal to leave a nice finish.
Perfect.
So that is the repairs and work done in this video, but I still plan to repair more. Let me know your suggestions in the comment section below. If you want to follow my journey, make sure to follow me on Instagram at EdsWrld, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.